So welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss some important model questions. So వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు అందరూ కూడా చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్ ఈ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సో వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, let's discuss some important model questions. See here, important model number 1. Find the equation of the locus of P if the line joining segment joining 2, 3 and -1, 5 subtends a right angle at P. Let's see, we can observe the given question. Given that one word, that is right angle at P. Right angle at P means definitely we will get right angle triangle. See here, we will take the right angle triangle. Here is 90 degrees. So according to the problem, clearly given that right angle at P. So that means 90 degrees at point P. What is the remaining 2 vertices are? One vertices is taken as A, the another one is B. So these are the given that according to the problem, A equal to 2, 3 and B equal to -1, 5. So always the point P is taken as x, y. It is clear. So that means indirectly the given that it is the right angle triangle. According to the right angle triangle, we know that Pythagoras theorem. What is our Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse whole square equal to opposite square plus adjacent side whole square. See here, let Px, y be a point on the locus. Clear. Next, given points. What are the given points? Given points are the given points P, x, y and A 2, 3 and B -1, 5. Next, given condition. What is the given condition? Given condition, so clearly given that right angle means you have to take right angle. So the right angle at P, so that means 90 degrees at P. The remaining 2 points are A and B. So the condition is angle of APB equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. 90 degrees means it is the right angle triangle. According to the right angle triangle, we have to write the condition for Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. This is our condition. Then substitute. PA square means take the point P and point A. Write the distance between these 2 points. X -2 whole square plus y -3 whole square. So then x -2 whole square plus y -3 whole square. It is the value of PA square. Similarly, write the PB square value. So x minus of -1, that is x plus 1 whole square, y minus of 5 whole square plus x minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Next, y minus of 5 whole square plus y minus of 5 whole square. It is equal to AB square. Take these 2 points. So directly you have to write AB square means 2 minus of -1, that is equal to +1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3 whole square plus 3 minus of 5, that is equal to -2. -2 whole square means +4. So directly you have to write -2 whole square. 3 minus of 5 equal to -2 whole square. 2 minus of -1 equal to +3 whole square. Next, then simplify. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square x square b square plus 4 minus of 2ab, that is equal to minus of 4x. Next, similarly, y square plus 9 minus of 6y. Then a plus b whole square plus x square plus 1 plus 2x. Again plus y square plus 25 minus of 10y. It is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 2 square means 4. Clear? Equal terms on both sides, both are gets cancelled. That is equal to plus 4 cancel. Next plus 9 cancel. Then calculate the remaining elements. X square plus x square, that is equal to 2x square. Next y square plus y square equal to 2y square. After that calculate the x element. Minus 4x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 2x. Next y terms, minus 6y minus 10y, that is equal to minus 16y. Okay, next question. The same model. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of the locus of its third vertex. See here, clearly given that ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle. Again given that right angle. Right angle means we have to take the right angle triangle. Next 0, 6 and 6, 0 is given that these 2 points are the end points of the hypotenuse. In right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse. Clearly given that 0, 6 and 6, 0 you have to take as end points of the hypotenuse. So that is why the point A is taken as 0, 6 and point B is taken as 6, 0. So A and B are the end points of the hypotenuse. So automatically the point P is makes an angle of 90 degrees. Then the what is the P coordinates are x, y. So let P x, y be a point on the locus. It is common. Next given points, that is P x, y, A 0, 6 and B 6, 0. Next, what is the given condition? According to the diagram, angle of APB equal to 90 degrees. Then Pythagoras rule, PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. PA square means take the point P and point A, write PA square value. PA square equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Similarly, PB square. PB square means take these 2 points, x minus 6 whole square, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. It is equal to AB square. For this 2, 0 minus of 6 whole square, that is equal to minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. So that means 6 whole square. Then simplify. X minus 0 whole square means x square. Y minus 6 whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square y square plus 36 minus of 12y. A square plus b square minus of 2ab. Similarly, x minus 6 whole square, x square plus 36 minus 12x. A square plus b square minus of 2ab. Y minus 0 whole square means y square equal to minus 6 whole square 36, again 6 square equal to 36. We can observe that on both sides equal terms are gets cancelled, that is plus 36 plus 36, again plus 36 plus 36. Write the remaining factors. Elements x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square equal to 2y square, again x term minus 12x, after that you can write 12y equal to 0. There is no constant value. Next, you can observe that what is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. So directly you have to write x square plus y square, 2 6 are 12, so then 6x minus 6y equal to 0. It is our required equation of the locus. Why? Because in that equation there is no square root values, it is a free from radical. So that is why x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6x minus 6y equal to 0. It is a required equation of the locus. Next, last question for this model. Same question. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 4, 0 and 0, 4. So that means 4, 0 and 0, 4 are the end points of the hypotenuse. So that is why the point A is taken as 4, 0 and point B is taken as 0, 4. So then P equal to x, y. P makes an angle of 90 degrees. Find the equation of the locus of the third vertex. What is the third vertex? Is P. So see here, let P x, y be a point on the locus. Next, given points are P x, y. Then A equal to 4, 0 and B equal to 0, 4. Next, given condition, according to the diagram, it is a right angle triangle. So then angle of APB equal to 90 degrees. Then Pythagoras rule, according to the Pythagoras rules, PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. So that means PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. It's follow the Pythagoras rule. Next, write the PA square value. Point P and point A, write the distance of PA square equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus PB square. Take the point P and point B. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus of 4 whole square. Y minus of 4 whole square. It is equal to AB square. 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4 whole square plus 0 minus of 4, that is minus 4 whole square. Clear? Okay. X minus 4 whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Write the expansion of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square 16 minus of 2ab 8x plus 8 minus 0 y minus 0 y minus 0 whole square means y square plus x minus 0 whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 4 square means 16 minus 4 is whole square is also plus 16. We can observe the equation, equal terms on both sides, both are gets cancelled. Plus 16 plus 16 again plus 16 plus 16. Write the remaining terms. X square plus x square equal to 2x square, y square plus y square equal to 2y square, then minus 8x minus of 8y equal to 0. What is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. Write the 2 is the common factor. Then final solution is x square plus y square minus of 4x minus of 4y equal to 0. So it is our required equation of the locus. So these three problems are very important for annual examination. So this is the model number 1. In next class we discuss model number 2. Thank you to all.